it's me, Book, and I got some out of this. So yeah, I got a surprise for y'all. Yeah, cause you know I wanted to, and I don't feel like putting them back in. Cause I did record for hours. You know, it's hard. It just keeps shutting on me. Yeah, we're gonna do Would You Rather while we're waiting. So yeah, and I have a surprise for y'all, which is this is my new mascot, by the way. Y'all could probably tell. I'm taking these out fast because I want you to see it. But it's not. Look, it's easy to get this out, but I want to put it back in after I get done with these. I think I've got it all out. Okay. Oh, no, I feel something. Whoa! Guys, I have another YouTube channel, but I never did it because my phone's been, off. And my cousin tricked me that I'm going to go to, we're going, like, somewhere, and, to fly, so I just said, we're going to fly, we're going on the plane today, whatever, I don't care. So yeah, I'm like, what time? And she's like, no, it's fake. I'm like, I was so sad after that video, so I'm like, I just made that video for no apparent reason, and I told him I was gonna show you what it would be like, so I'm really mad right now when that happened. So I think I got them all. Let me check for y'all. So yeah, I was gonna use the camera. I don't know why. If y'all hear anything, just tell me. So nope, there's nothing over here. So I got them all off the camera. Some off the camera though. So yeah. So by the way, would you rather have a stray cat or a stray dog? Which I do have a stray cat over here at my house. So yeah, I'm gonna take these all out and like clean them. So yeah. And there's my dog. I'm gonna get a dog just like her. Sheba! Sheba! Oh Sheba! Oh Sheba! Oh Sheba! There we go. Oh, that cow was in here, wasn't it? You have to go in your cage. Bye, Sheba. Bye, Sheba. Oh, Sheba. Oh. Sheba. What? There she goes biting me. Hey. So yeah. I see so much dirt everywhere. I made a mess. So yeah. There. I almost put my mascot's earring in there. Jeez, that'll be a disaster. I'm gonna put it on after this video.